Vale, muy bien. Now it's time to jump into Senor Wooly. It's time to watch the Senor Wooly video and do some other activities on the nuggets of Senor Wooly. So let me show you how to get there. If you have your device that you used when you were in school, it should be pretty simple, pretty quick, but let's make sure. Okay, here I am at SeniorWooly.com. You go there, you click login, and it's going to ask you a number of questions. Select your country, start typing. Oh, wait a minute. Over here, you're going to put your state. That will help things quite a bit. And then start typing. It is William Mason High School, um, I believe. Yes, there we go. And so you go there, and then you select your teacher, which would be senior rep. Select your class, whichever class you were in. I made a dummy student. No offense, that's not offensive for anybody. I made a dummy student here, and his name is Furgonito A. And we had you set for everybody your password. Now, if you forgot your password, you have to go here. But we have set Billy, the bufanda, the scarf, and then the boot. So it's scarf, boot, login. It may ask you to do that several times. In this case, it took us right here. Now, I don't have activated Puedo ir al baño. That will be activated in one of these pictures here. You'll click on it, and then you can be rolling from there to watch the video and do the nuggets. If for some reason you were not able to get in, you will need to email me and ask me for a class activation code. That will help you make sure that you are able to get in the first place. But I think everyone, even the newer students, were all at least into Senior Wooly at least once before we um, had to go into quarantine. All right, email me if you have any questions. Hasta luego.